How do you have your coffee? No matter your order, for many of us, coffee is a daily ritual we wouldn't go without. If you can't imagine kicking off the day without a flat white or two, you might swear by the energy boost that your coffee brings. But does coffee really give you more energy? It's true, coffee can make us feel more energized, and we've got caffeine to thank for that. Caffeine is found in a range of plants that are used to produce coffee, black and green tea, and cocoa. It's also found in many cola soft drinks and energy drinks, but it's best not to get your caffeine buzz from these products as the often very high sugar content outweighs any other benefits. Caffeine is a mild stimulant that speeds up the messages between our brain and body. In small doses, and as part of a healthy diet, it can make us feel more awake and alert. For most healthy adults, who have a healthy balanced diet and enjoy regular physical activity, 400 milligrams of caffeine per day is generally considered safe. Remember to avoid added sugar and syrups when enjoying your daily grind to maximize health benefits and keep your daily sugar intake to a minimum. One of the benefits of drinking coffee is that it boosts energy levels. Coffee contains caffeine, a central nervous system stimulant that is known for its ability to fight fatigue and increase energy levels. This is because caffeine blocks the receptors of a neurotransmitter called adenosine, and this increases levels of other neurotransmitters in your brain that regulate your energy levels, including dopamine. One small study found that consuming caffeine increased time to exhaustion during a cycling exercise by 12% and significantly reduced subjective levels of fatigue in participants. Another study had similar findings, reporting that consuming caffeine before and during a round of golf improved performance, increased subjective energy levels, and reduced feelings of fatigue. Thanks for watching.